I'm Sid with the Fix It Guys, and this is a tutorial to help you understand the ins and outs of a residential insurance claim during a disaster. Now first, please like and subscribe and hit notifications on the link below if you're watching this on YouTube. That helps us get our message out to everyone. So please take a moment to do that. Anyway, thank you very much. So when a disaster comes in to an area, everybody goes through a moment of chaos. We're trying to survive, keep our homes dry, take care of our loved ones, make sure we have power, make sure we have food. And when the disaster is done, we're often left in this state of panic. We don't know what the next steps are, or we think we know what the next steps are, but we make a bunch of critical small errors, and the next thing you know, we're fighting with our insurance company, we're not finding the right contractors, and the process becomes even much more stressful. So I want to walk you through what are the key things to keep in mind when you go through an insurance event. So the first thing is there are 3 phases to insurance for residential claims. The first is mitigation, then is remediation, and then is reconstruction. So what is mediation? Mitigation is this act where you as the homeowner need to mitigate, need to stop further damage from happening into your house. And a lot of times you feel pressure to do that mitigation yourself, throwing in sandbags, shoring up walls, trying to tarp your roof. Well, not only should you think very heavily about not doing that, but also consider the risk to yourself. You can put yourself into harm's way, you can injure yourself, you can even make the damage worse. Unless you are a construction contractor by trade, you really are doing yourself a disservice. Moreover, the insurance company does not have to pay you what you are owed when you do that mitigation yourself. However, all insurance companies will pay the correct amount to seasoned contractors. That's why you see blue tarps going on your roofs. That's why you see tree services coming out and cutting down on trees. That's why you see all of these debris trucks running around. So the first thing you need to do is try and find a seasoned contractor that you trust that can mitigate your roof, put on a tarp, that can shore up holes in your walls, that can remove trees and obstructions that might have caused damage, that can prevent further flooding from coming into your house, that can do all of the services that are needed to stop the hemorrhaging of the damage from the storm itself. The second piece then is remediation. After you've mitigated your house and you've stopped new damage from occurring, what do you do about the old damage? The wet, moist carpets, the soggy drywall, the mold that's starting, the microbes that are in the air. You're not a professional. You should not go in there and just wanton cut stuff out. You could injure yourself. You could ruin the house even further. Instead, bring in seasoned remediators. So these are people that understand where exactly to cut, to muck out, and remove all of the flooded damage from your house, or if a ceiling's collapsed, how to properly bring it down. They know how to monitor and properly record all of that demolition and all of the remediation work that they do. These people can also come in and dry out your home. They bring in the proper equipment, they do moisture analysis, they speak with your insurance company, and they will dry out your home and attend to any microbials that are in your house. Again, you don't have to search too hard. Companies like mine, the Fix It Guys, we can pair you up with these contractors, but they will be responsive, they'll come out, they'll help you, and your home will get to a point where it's ready to be rebuilt. Finally, reconstruction. Reconstruction is the act of repairing your home back to its pre-loss condition. And this isn't an easy feat. Typically, the insurance company will send out an unseasoned adjuster or an untrained adjuster who's just there to take pictures and look at stuff. But they leave a lot on the table. They don't look at nails being popped out of the walls, which signifies a pressure event in your home. They're not opening up the drawers or the cabinets to show hidden leak damage or to show the density of the items that you have in your house. A little note on that, your insurance company will pay you to manipulate your contents, to move them out of the way. Your insurance company will pay you to have a professional person itemize inventory, assess your contents, pack it up, and move it into conditioned storage so that reconstruction can happen. In most cases, 99% of all cases, your insurance company will also pay for your alternative living expense. That means you don't have to be in your house while your contractor is fixing it. The insurance company will cover, and they won't put you into an apartment. They have to provide you with similar pre-loss living conditions. So they're going to find a house, or there are services that we can connect you with that will find you suitable living so that your home can quickly and calmly be rebuilt. Now, when it's time to rebuild, the first thing you need to do is find a contractor, and that contractor has to meet several requirements. First, are they licensed? Are they credible? Do they do quality work? The second is, are they available? After a disaster happens, it's hard to find local contractors that are available. Again, that's what the Fix-It Guys is here to do. We will pair you with seasoned contractors that are able to warrant their work, be responsive, and they understand the insurance. Once you find a contractor, you need to get an estimate. Even though your insurance company may have provided you with an adjustment, their estimate of what it's going to cost, you owe it to yourself to find a licensed contractor who can also go through and look at everything, even the things that the adjuster has missed. Again, here with the Fix-It Guys, we will help you. We will help you communicate with the insurance company. We'll help you walk through and know what your rights are. We'll educate you so you can properly handle your claim without the headache, without the stress. And we will work with your contractor and help them communicate with the insurance company and your mortgage company, if one exists, to make the project go smooth. So there you have it. You have mitigation, remediation, and reconstruction. These are the things you need to pay attention to. If you'd like us to come out and schedule an appointment, there's no cost to you. The Fix-It Guys will never ask you for a single penny. We get paid by the contractors we refer, we get paid by the insurance companies, but we don't get paid by you. We're just here to help pair disaster recovery clients with qualified contractors. Give us a call today, 844-394-4445. Thank you.